Yo, what's going on? Welcome back to TP in the Harvest House. So today I really want to get this cactus planted up because it's in a generic pot. It doesn't match that. So I want to get this guy in this pot right now. So we're finna do. I got some sawdust already wet or cocoa. Cocoa that was already wet previously. What's that? And I got some cocoa that was dry. Did pour some water in here, so did get loose, but I don't have any more water up here. That's a plumbing problem that I got in the Harvest House. I'm also going to use this here, Dr. O's Desert Cactus Plant Food. A 3-gallon bucket full of perlite. Got a water pad underneath, so you catch a little water. Probably don't have any water, but I don't really need water. This is wet. That's wet enough. Cactus don't really need water when you up bottom. Especially this one, I don't even think it's rooted yet. So it's a very, very windy day today. So if it sounds bad, my apologies. One thing I don't have that I usually like to add is native soil. So I'm not going to add that this time. But I do got some lava rocks I'm going to put on top. Get this dirt in here first. That in there like that. Put Dr. O's in there. That around real good. I'm definitely going to use more cocoa. Yeah. This is what the Harvest House sounds like. It's going crazy. So down here, this cocoa's got water in it. It's almost broken up. Just give it a little help. Let's loose around. Still don't think that's gonna be enough. Which one's Eliana? So please. That's no. We're not even half yet. That is much this time. Because like I said, don't got no roots. So it's not going to really need fertilizer. So I think that's the last time we're for right now. Get a mix in there. Cactus like this dry area. It's like cocoa or so. They call it sandy loam. So you know what? I'm gonna go ahead outside. I'm gonna go get some native soil right quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. That was a journey. All right. Oh. Okay, bucket. His bucket. I got some native soil. Let me just go ahead and dump some. Wait. Let me get this cocoa wet first. Want some more water over here too. Again, there's no plumbing up there yet. should be sufficient. Out of there. Now let's get some of this native soil in here. That's too much because it's got a lot of rocks. About that amount right now. From old trees or whatever in there. That makes them real good. And it's like sand, dirt soil. Oh, man, that was a trick, bro. That bucket ain't no joke. 5 gallons of water ain't no joke. Carrying it, you know, like 200, 300 feet. So my cocoa is hard-headed. So I'm just going to get my hands dirty. Help it out a little bit. So I'm not going to forget though. Some microwave. Grab some of that sprinkle. Dang. That wasn't enough water. Man, I'm gonna have to let this sit for a second. I'm still dry in the middle. Hasn't expanded all the way yet. It's okay. Give it some time. Let that water sit in. I'm just gonna help breaking you into little small chunks. Never worked with cocoa before, you know, it's fun. Like I like it. I like to mix it with soil, especially like Fox Farms Ocean. You mix some of this with that, you stretch it. You add your own amendments. Coochie. You go get some mycorrhizae. All right. Got a little mycorrhizae in here. I'm just gonna sprinkle it now. Because like I said, I don't know if this thing got roots or not, but if they don't really need it, but it's there when it does. All right, so, you know, it's already moist on the bottom, so I think if I cover it up, just drop it down. Break up some of the little dry chunks as I'm doing it. I'm still gonna mix this in. I need to get this. I don't know how deep this is. So I want it to sit right there. But I don't know how it's gonna pull out. So I'll tilt it a little bit to get the books straight. Yeah. Dang, that's a lot. Still got spine going. Okay, 30%. All right, before I do all that, a little bit more from the way. A little bit more. Some cocoa. Give it the mix. Look at something like this. Let's go ahead and angle this pot back in there how I want it. Do this firm press on it. All right, now this is gonna be It's the hard part right here. Let's see if I can pull this off. Okay, so since I got it out, I'm going down it. It's not rooted. So now I know this does not need water at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix the soil that was already in here with this before I replant this. Then I'm gonna need dry cocoa now. So this is the only thing I got real dry up here, so. Semi-dry. So what'll happen is this cactus will rot out on the bottom and it will not grow. I already see signs of that, so I'm gonna tread lightly. Not gonna add no more cocoa or anything. Kind of want it just dry from here. This is what that looks like right now. Oh, it's dry on top. So, just for soil. A rock. I think. Oh, you know what? I got a box. This is lava rocks on top. This one is just like. That's what that looks like right now. It doesn't look bad. But now let's try to make it look great. And the lava rocks around it should help dry that out. That's certainty, and it has to help stabilize this thing. Man, that's not bad. Actually, really forget the name of this cactus. As per usual, I forget the name of everything, but it's okay. That's what I got a phone for and an app that tells me what's what and who's who. But yeah, there it is. And it's got its own water tray. Scoot over lemongrass. Let's see. You're gonna go right in the middle. Peace. There you go. New home. And you can kick it right here. you still do your thing. It smells so good. As per usual. All right, that was easier than I thought. I'm TP from WPR Ranch, and I appreciate you if you're watching this. Please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that hype button too. You know what I'm saying? So I know to keep making more content like this, or just even showing you how the aquaponics is doing and whatnot. You know, help me, help you, so we can all learn together and grow as a community. God bless. Peace out.
There's a sky glowing, full of power living, yeah, we off the grid, oh 40 acres where the wild winds dance. Welcome to the life at a WR pledge, WPR range, hear the coyotes cry. Working house growing while the horse fly high. 8081 make the whole land ring. WPR pledge, WPR ranch, there's a sky glow there.